Let's talk about shoes. Shoes cover and protect our feet. There are many types of shoes. Sneakers, high heels, boots, and sandals are all common. Boots cover the ankle and sometimes the lower leg. They are good for cold and wet weather. Most shoes have laces or straps to keep them on. Some shoes slip on. It is important to wear the right size. Shoes that are too small or too big can hurt your feet. In Japan, people take off their shoes at the entrance of a home. Inside, people put on slippers. Slippers keep the floor clean and are comfortable to wear indoors. At many schools and traditional restaurants in Japan, you also remove your shoes at the entrance. Dress shoes are for formal occasions. They are usually made of leather and look very polished. Good shoes need regular care. You should keep them clean and dry. A shoe shop has many sizes and styles. Staff can help you find the right fit. Rain boots are useful in the rainy season. They keep your feet dry when the streets are wet. Children's feet grow quickly. Parents need to buy new shoes often. Shoes are something we use every day. They make every step comfortable and easy.